Hi guys, I trust that you're doing well. Today we are making chips masala, mango salsa, and I'll be sharing with you the two simple recipes like you can see. And the first step is to fry your chips. And guys, this is the easy part. Just ensure that the oil is hot enough before going in to add your potatoes. Like you can see, mine, they came out looking perfectly, and this was the second batch, like you can see, that I have removed. And I just put them on a kitchen towel. You can use a serviette just to drain off excess oil. You're going to put that aside as we start preparing the sauce. And for the sauce, you're going to start off by frying one small to a medium-sized onion, and after that you're just going to add coriander stems or the dania stems, not the leaves, just the stems. And then you're going to give this a good stir before going ahead to add your garlic and ginger, crushed garlic and ginger. So just add that in, give it a good mix. So you're going to give everything a good stir, like you can see here. Just make sure that the garlic cooks. As for the onion, you do not have to cook it until it turns golden brown. So once the garlic cooks, go ahead and add tomato paste, 1 tablespoon. Add your favorite spices. I used turmeric, paprika, and 1 seasoning cube. Give that a good mix, just ensuring that the spice cook on low flame, guys. Do not use very high flame, otherwise the spices can burn. Next, I just used tomato sauce. You can use ketchup if you've got it at hand. Add an equal amount depending on the amount of fries that you're going to be making, and then you're going to let this boil for like a minute or two on very low flame, ensuring that everything comes together nicely. And be sure to taste the seasoning just to ensure that it's right. And after that, you're just going to start adding in your fries. And as for the fries, you're going to add them in small batches. Just add the first small amount, and then you're going to mix into to ensure that the fries are coated with the sauce. And then you're going to add the other small batch and then mix in just like you see me doing here. And guys, be very careful. Don't be vigorous, otherwise you're just going to break the fries. Be cautious and mix it small amounts at a time. Do not add like the whole batch and then mix at a time. Mix in small amounts like you see me doing on the video. And after that, after mixing and coating everything, and guys, at this time I had put the stove off, so there's no fire at this time. And then you're going to garnish with some dania, and it's ready. Now let's make some mango salsa. And as for the tomatoes, you're going to ensure that you remove the seeds like you see me doing on the video. It is not needed for this recipe. And then you're going to cut small pieces of mangoes, and then you're going to prepare 1 onion, soak it in vinegar, and then drain it, and then put it here like you can see. You're also going to need a small amount of dania. It is optional. You can also add chilies or pili pili here if you like it. And then you're just going to mix. And before mixing, be sure to add a small amount of vinegar like you can see, and salt to taste. And always be tasting your seasoning just to make sure that it's perfect. So just mix. And guys, this is one salad that I love so much because it is easy to make, it is delicious, and like now we have mangoes in season. Please take advantage of that. And this is how I served my chips masala, and we loved it. Thank you so much for watching.